So you pull your thread through, knots on the bottom. You stick your needle in at the same place where your thread came through, and you take your needle over. You run your needle under the fabric, take it over. So you take it over. Embroidery really it's a two-handed deal. One hand controls the thread, the thumb and the finger. The other hand stitches. So it and as soon as I say that, I'm going to say you can defy that rule, but that's the lazy daisy stitch. A little loop with a straight stitch at the tip to anchor that.